Welcome to ConceptGuru.
Where learning is fun.
In today's session, we will talk about the perimeter of rectilinear figures. Now, what is a rectilinear figure? Is a triangle a rectilinear figure? Yes. What about a rectangle? Well, that's a rectilinear figure too. A square is also a rectilinear figure. And so is a pentagon. And so is an hexagon. But what about a circle? Nah, a circle is not a rectilinear figure because a two-dimensional figure bounded by straight lines is called a rectilinear figure. Does the circle have straight lines? No, it doesn't. Now let's try to find out what is the perimeter of a rectilinear figure. The sum of all the sides of a rectilinear figure is called the perimeter. Simple, isn't it? So let's take a look at this football field. This is a rectangle, and the length of the rectangle is 100 meters and the breadth is 55 meters. Wow, that's a big football field. Now we have our friend Rohan. Now Rohan decides to run around the football field. So he starts running. He is covering the length, that is 100 meters. Keep going, Rohan. Now he's covering the breadth. He has covered 55 meters, another 100 meters for the length, and he has come back to the starting point by covering another 55 meters. So what is the total distance that Rohan covered? 100 meters for the length, then 55 meters for the breadth, then again 100 meters for the length, and another 55 meters. That's a total of 310 meters. So this 310 meters is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular football field. Good job, everyone. Now, can we find out the perimeter of a triangle? Well, we have one here. The three sides are 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. So what do we need to do? We will add the length of the sides because that is what perimeter is, isn't it? So 8 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. Can we quickly do the math? Yes, it is 24 centimeters. So the perimeter of this triangle is 24 centimeters. Now let's take another example of a rectangle. Remember the football field that we had and the one that Rohan ran around? Well, we can write the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times the sum of length and breadth. Okay, so what are the sides? The sides are 100 meters and 55 meters. So we can write it like this: 2 multiplied by 100 meters plus 55 meters. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 155 meters, or equal to 310 meters. Well, that's the same amount we had when we did the calculation for Rohan, isn't it? So the formula is 2 times length plus breadth. I hope you will remember that. Now, what is the perimeter of a square? Now, a square has all sides as the same. Let's take a look at this carom board. Wow, I like playing carom. Do you? I'm sure you do. Well, in this carom board, we have 4 equal sides, and each side is 100 centimeters. So, what is the perimeter of a square? It is 4 times the side. So the perimeter is 4 multiplied by 100 centimeters. That equals a total of 400 centimeters. Great job, everyone! Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.
Press the bell icon for our latest videos.